Given that there are 19 and 16 points on two distinct parallel lines, L1 and L2 respectively, then we need to find the number of triangles that can be formed using these points as vertices. Let us consider two parallel lines. Say this line is L1 and say this line is L2. And there are total 19 points on one line L1. Say P1, P2 and so on P19. Similarly, on second line L2 there are 16 points. Say Q1, Q2 and so on Q16. So to get the triangle between these two lines, so either we have to select 2 points from the first line and then we have to draw one triangle by selecting 1 point on the other line. So you'll get this is one triangle. So selecting 2 points from the first line, so we can write out of 19 we need to select 2 points 19C2, and then 1 point we have to select from the second line. Out of 16 points we have to select 1. So this is one possibility. Or we can say we can select 1 point, we can select 1 point here on the first line and we can select the 2 points on the second line, then also you'll get a triangle. This is another possibility. So we can say plus, so we can select out of 19 points 1 point will be selected, and out of 16 points we have to select 2 points. So these are the possibilities between the two parallel lines triangles can be constructed. So 19C2 value, that is 19 factorial divided by 19 minus 2, 17 factorial into 2 factorial by using the formula NCR is equal to n factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial plus into into 16C1, that is 16 factorial divided by 16 minus 1, 15 factorial into 1 factorial plus again 19C1 we can write 19 factorial divided by 19 minus 1, 18 factorial into 1 factorial into 16 factorial divided by 16 minus 2, that is 14 factorial into 2 factorial. We know that NC1 is equal to n, and so here 16C1, that is 16 we can write directly. So 19 factorial we can write 19 into 18 into 17 factorial, which is there in the denominator, so I will stop here. So 17 factorial, that is 2 into 1. So that 17 factorial get cancelled, and here 2 9 times. So 19 9 times we can say 171. So this is 171 into, so 16C1 we can directly write 16 plus again 19C1 we can write directly 19, and 16 factorial, in 16 factorial we can write 16 into 15 into 14 is there in the denominator, so 14 factorial divided by 14 factorial into 2 into 1. So here 14 factorial gets cancelled, and here 2 8 times. So we can add 171 into 16 plus 19 into 15 8s are, so we can say 120. So upon simplification you'll get 171 into 16, that is 2736, plus 19 into 120 we can say 2280, which is equal to 5016. So 5016, which is option 4.